us here at Baby You. How do you do? Join us here at Baby You. In each and every twist and turn, you'll find something fun to learn. How do you do? Join us here at Baby You. Numbers, shapes, and words. Lions, penguins, ducks, and birds. How do you do? Join us here at Baby You.
Oh, I really want the triangle.
Your turn, Daniel. Skiddle-dee-dee-yellow. Daniel picked the piano. How will he play? Loud or soft?
Soft.
Meow meow, oh please let me get the triangle.
My turn. Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Doodle-dee-dum. O is on the drum. How will he play? Loud or soft?
Soft!
Ahem. Who about now?
And that was quite loud.
Okay, Daddy, it's my turn now. And I picked the triangle!